What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys what it's like to take videos and still images on the HTC U11. Now if you guys are yet to subscribe for my full and in-depth review of this product, then be sure to go ahead and do so. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first up, I do want to show you guys the panoramic photos that I got with the U11. Now as you guys can see, it does expose nicely for the sky as well as the foreground, but when the scene does get a little bright where the sun normally is in the sky, you can see that it does start to overexpose. But you can stop this from happening by locking the exposure, thus meaning that it would not need to overexpose for the sun. Also, the stitching of the panoramic scenes was about 90% on point, but there were a few times, as you guys can see, where the stitching was completely off. Now when it comes to the colours that the U11 reproduces, they are slightly saturated, but not overly saturated as you would see with the likes of the Galaxy S8. And these images do more or less look as they would in real life. In fact, one of my favourite type of pictures to take with the U11 are landscape images, as I do find that it works very well when you are handling both blue and green colours. Now there are a plethora of smartphones currently available on the market which have two rear cameras, and for the most part a lot of these smartphones use their secondary rear camera to provide up to 2 times optical zoom. Now using software, they are able to also provide up to 10 times digital zoom. But perhaps one of the most disappointing things about the U11 is that it doesn't have a dual lens camera system whatsoever, whether it be a wide angle camera, a telephoto or a monochrome camera. Now I myself would have personally loved it if HTC had included a telephoto lens. This is as the level of zoom at maximum on the U11 is pretty much half of that you would get with either the iPhone 7 Plus and even the Galaxy S8. For example, here is an image taken at maximum zoom using the U11, and here is that same image taken with the iPhone 7 Plus and once again with the S8. Now of course, if you dial back some of the zoom, the images won't look as distorted as they of course do with the iPhone 7 Plus and the S8. Now once again, here is another comparison between images taken with the Samsung S8, the HTC U11, the U Ultra, along with the LG G6. And when it comes to looking at the selfie camera, you do have a 16 megapixel camera when compared to the 12 on the rear. And when you pair this with HTC's EdgeSense technology, taking selfies on the U11 is a breeze, and they do also turn out very well. This is a front-facing video camera test on the HTC U11. Now you guys should get a good feel for the video stabilization, the video quality, along with of course the audio quality being reproduced. Now as you guys can see, it is exposing well for the sky in the background, and the camera quality does look pretty nice and it's picking me up very nicely. So then guys, that has been it for today's video. If you did enjoy what you've seen in today's video and want to find out my final thoughts on the HTC U11's camera, then be sure to subscribe to be notified when I upload and release my review. Also, to find out what video I'm currently working on, go ahead and add me and follow me on my social media. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.